Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to open up Unreal Engine editor via its installation path. So if you don't want to open Epic Games Launcher every time you open Unreal editor, or if you don't have any shortcut in your desktop, this is the easiest way to open up Unreal Engine editor. So if you go to your installation path, you will see the versions that you have installed. In my case, you can see that I have three Unreal Engine versions installed: 5.1, 5.3 and 5.6. In this case, I am going to use 5.6. So if you go to Unreal Engine 5.6 folder, you can find this engine folder, and inside that there is this binaries folder, and within the binaries folder you can go to Win64 folder. Within Win64 folder there are a bunch of folders and files, and you can just casually select one of the files and press U key on your keyboard, and you will find the Unreal Editor executable or application file. You just have to double click on the executable file and it will open up Unreal Editor for you. So this is the way of opening up Unreal Editor, its installation path. So that's it guys. Thank you.